attorney LaNthony, founding partner of Legal and Compliance, a full-service corporate securities and business transactions law firm. Today is the continuation of a Lawcast series discussing NASDAQ listing requirements. The NASDAQ application package includes a symbol reservation form, the listing application, which requires supplemental documents, the listing agreement, the corporate governance certification, the initial application fee payable via check or wire transfer, and a logo submission form. Today, I will give a brief summary of each of the forms other than the listing application itself, which I will pick up in the next Lawcast in this series. All the application forms are completed online at the NASDAQ website Listing Center. The online platform allows for uploading supplemental and supporting documents. All of the forms should be reviewed in advance and the requisite information readily available before submitting the application. The symbol reservation form is a one-page fill-in electronic form. NASDAQ symbols must be 1 to 5 characters in length. The symbol reservation form requests 3 symbol choices in order of preference. Although NASDAQ will likely give the first choice if available, it has full authority to assign, rescind, or reassign a trading symbol at any time. In addition to the symbol choice, the symbol reservation form includes additional basic information regarding the company and the planned public offering, including, for example, the name of the attorney, lead underwriter if applicable, names of the CEO and CFO, yearly revenues, the company website URL, and company sector. The listing agreement is a simple 2-page agreement affirming the company's agreement to comply with all rules and regulations of the NASDAQ stock market and indemnifying and holding NASDAQ harmless from liability. In particular, a listing company holds NASDAQ harmless and agrees to indemnify the exchange from any liability resulting from third-party trademark infringement claims related to the company's symbol and logo and NASDAQ's use of them. In addition, the listing agreement contains a disclaimer of warranty and liability against NASDAQ for trading issues, other than those resulting from the gross negligence or willful misconduct by NASDAQ. The corporate governance certification form certifies compliance with the governance requirements. Where an exemption applies, the form requires specific information related to the exemption terms. The form specifies the different rules and exemptions in a check-the-box format. The logo submission form contains the guidelines for the logo and affirms NASDAQ's right to use it. NASDAQ uses company logos in its own marketing materials, on the market site video wall and tower, and on websites. The NASDAQ Capital Market charges a non-refundable application fee of $5,000. Entry fees are separate and are based upon the aggregate number of shares to be listed at the time of the initial listing, regardless of class, with a maximum fee cap of $75,000. The entry fee is assessed on the date of entry to the NASDAQ Capital Market. NASDAQ also charges annual fees based on the company's total shares outstanding. I'm securities attorney LaNthony, founding partner of Legal and Compliance and producer of Lawcast. Should you have any questions about today's topic, please visit securitieslawblog.com and lawcast.com or contact me directly. Inquiries of a technical nature are always encouraged.